What's the meaning of cop-out? Cop-out. Cop-out.
Cop out. Cop out. The term cop-out is defined as the act of avoiding responsibility or fulfilling a duty. It is commonly used to describe a situation in which someone fails to follow through on a commitment or backs out of an obligation, often due to fear or a lack of motivation. This can manifest in various ways, such as making excuses or shifting blame onto others. Ultimately, a cop-out leads to a failure to take accountability and can damage relationships and reputations. It is important to be aware of the impact that cop-outs can have and strive to avoid them.